Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI RTX 5050 Shadow 2X OC graphics card. So friend, today I will talk about GeForce RTX 5050 Shadow 2X OC graphics card. As this time of the MSI only custom RTX 5050 graphics card model, and the card is premium factory overclock product and likely to be priced around $249. So friend, the factory overclock speed of 2602 MHz boost compared to the 2570 MHz reference in the RTA 5050 is cooled by aluminium fin stack heatsink that appear to use a single nickel plated copper that hit bend in S shape, and the heatsink is ventilated by a pair of premium MSI TorX 5.0 fan, and this fan is using MSI many premium custom design cards, and it features a particularly weighted impeller that's designed to maximize axial airflow, and the card draw power from 8-pin PCIe power connector, and display output include 3 DisplayPort 2.1, 1 HDMI 2.1B, and based on the 5nm GB207 silicon CPU. The 5nm GB207 silicon and the RTA 5050 feature 2560 CUDA cores across 20 SM and 80 Tensor cores, 20 RT cores, and 8 GB 20 Gbps GDDR6 memory across a 128-bit wide memory interface. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.